This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sylvia V Woods. You will fall in love as soon as you walk into this beautiful remodeled home with granite countertops, tiled backsplash, stainless appliances, open floor plan, new flooring, new paint, large laundry room, maintenance-free exterior deck, fenced yard, workshop, located in one of the best school districts in Hampton. For more information, review the details below or contact Sylvia V Woods at 757-715-9730.